What's going on, guys? It's Billy from Team Scrubboat. It is January 5th today. This is our video from December 26th. We had a lot of action, some good jumps in this video, some shots on camera. So this is a good video. I hope you guys enjoy this one. We'll have our hunts from the 27th through the 1st. That video will be coming out later in the week, so stay tuned for that one. That'll be a lot of action as well, because it was a full week of hunting, so we had a lot going on. And that will be our last hunting video for the year, other than the kill shot video as we did last year. We'll be posting one like that soon, like that. So stay tuned for all those videos coming out. And then during the off season, we plan on doing some fishing, maybe some trapping like last year, and some reloading videos. And our trip to Louisiana, that'll be coming soon. So stay tuned for all those videos. I hope you guys enjoy this one right here. Make sure to check out Rectifier chokes. They're very good. We use them. We'll have a big video on that coming out in the next few weeks. So stay tuned for that. Show you their patterns. We've already killed deer with them, so you know they're good. So stay tuned for all these videos. I hope you enjoy this one. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Alright, we didn't make the first hunt. Had issues with the battery this morning, so we had to stop and get the battery. So we're on the second hunt. We did make the second hunt. I'm on what we call 12 Rice Branch.
This is our second hunt of the day. First one we got in a little bit late. Battery problems with the truck, but we got it fixed up. We're ready to go. We made it about halfway through the first hunt, so hopefully we can see a deer or get a shot on one. So I'll turn you guys back on when they cut the dogs loose.
Woo-wee! Whee! Whoo-wee! Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Did you hit this little clump? You did? Ernie smells something. Look out!
Standing right there.
Side of him, right? There's Kevin. Hold on a second.
Alright guys, the third hunt of this day. B6. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully we can see a couple of deer. Saw one deer last night. Didn't have my camera on, but I pulled out my phone and started recording it, so you guys have already seen that. So hopefully we can get some good action this hunt, and I'll turn you guys on in a little bit. So alright,
third hunt of the day. Of course, this is our second. We had a mishap this morning. I'm on what we call 8. So we'll see what happens here in a minute. I'll turn you back on. Alright. Keep up! Come on ahead. Come on. There goes. Up, yeah. There goes. Up, yeah. Let's go! shell.